What's going on, everyone? So I want to show you real quick how I like to set up my options chain in Webull. So once you go and you find the stock you want to look at, it can be any stock, pick it. We're looking at SPWH, for example. Then you're going to click the options tab here. And then once you have the screen up here, click the bottom right, this little indicator down here, the bottom right little bars. Then you see all this. Make sure your strike says all, expirations, regular, weekly, quarterly, and then go all the way down to the bottom to columns, and you can drag these by holding it down with your thumb to put it in the order that you want. And the order that I like to use is open interest. I like to put volume down here. I want to be able to see the open interest, the bid, the mid, the ask, the percent change, and the implied volatility. Really, the ask, I don't mind being down here. This is my ideal setup. So this is going to be the order at which you see it. So this is the way I like to do it right here. Hit save, go back there. Then you can see that I have basically everything I need in one shot, right? So just a heads up.